You can provide the topic, you just need to tell us what's your niche. So when I take new clients, the first thing I do is I assess their business. What you're doing, what's your vision, what's your goal? What can you do for your business and what you need us to do. Being honest and telling us, for instance, that you don't have time is the best you can do, because that way we understand your niche and then we generate the content for you. I personally love when people get involved and they give to the topics their personal touch. When you do videos, when you are in front of the camera, people can feel you, can sense you, they can see if you're legit, if you're the real deal, and they get to like you. The whole idea is that you become a superstar in your community, that people know what you do, why you do it. More importantly, it cannot be only about the money. People like to connect with others. They either like you or not like you. Even if you're the last real estate agent in the world, if they don't like you, they're gonna choose not to buy a property with you. So what you're gonna do, people need to know who you are, how you behave, what type of human you are. Why do I feel comfortable talking with you? Share with me part of your life. What do you do at work? Everything is through social media. That's the best and bigger business card you may have.